so we can see all of the pores here. So this is the after, you guys. I literally just washed my face.
What is up, you guys? Yes here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I know it's like a rough time, but I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm in my robe. We're gonna have a little DIY moment today. I've literally not done a DIY here on my channel in probably years, but today we're gonna be doing a mask that I've already done here actually before, and I wanna like redo it since, you know, we're all home. We probably can't go out and buy stuff, so I wanted to use some things that we may already have at home. Today we're gonna be making an egg white mask, which is gonna help shrink our pores and tighten up our skin so we can have a little spa moment while we're all chilling at home. For this DIY, you only need two main ingredients, one of which is Kleenex, but when I had gone to the store, they had no Kleenex being the situation. So I'm gonna go ahead and be using toilet paper. We won't be using a lot of it, so I hope it's not like controversial or anything. You can also use like thin paper towels. So, you know, hopefully you have one of these things at home. And then also an egg white. So yeah, and then, you know, you're also gonna need a little like container. You could use a bowl and then a brush to apply everything. But that's pretty much all that you're gonna need. It's super quick, super easy. And yeah, if you guys are ready to get into it, please don't forget to subscribe before we get started. And without further ado, let's get into it.
We're about to get real close and personal right now, so we can see all of the pores here.
All right, guys, so the very first thing that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be cracking our egg into our little container. And then this part is actually optional, but this is how I remove the yolk from the egg, and I'm just gonna do it with a water bottle, and you just go ahead and squeeze. And it just kind of pulls it right out. You see that? So there we go. And now we have just our egg whites. Now we're just gonna stir our brush in here and just kind of like mix it all around. All right, so now that we have our little egg white mixture here, we're just gonna go ahead and pretty much slather it onto our face. It's like super sticky. Also, you probably want to have a towel underneath you just because it's gonna get really sticky. It doesn't really smell like anything. So I actually already had my eyebrows done since before. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make this video, and then that's why I have my eyebrows done. Okay. So once you put it all over your face, you're gonna start adding the Kleenex, tissue, toilet paper. And then on top of that, we're gonna go ahead and, ooh, this actually might work better. And then we're just gonna soak it over top of that. With the toilet paper, we're gonna go ahead and split it if you have like 2-ply toilet paper, and then we're just gonna go ahead and We did about 2 layers. You can definitely do more. I think I used maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 squares of toilet paper. But now we're just gonna go ahead and wait until it completely dries, like paper mache status. And then we'll be back. All right, so once it's dried, your face is going to be like really hard. I don't know if you guys can hear, but it's pretty hard, and we literally only used like 2 layers, which is good. But now we're gonna go ahead and take it off. All right. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but we actually got like 2 or 3 little whiteheads, which I kind of didn't expect, honestly. Oh, my face feels really tight actually, which is nice because this is what it's supposed to do, but it feels really like... All right guys, so that is pretty much it. I absolutely feel a difference, and I saw a difference, which I'll show you guys just in a bit.
So this is the after, you guys. I literally just washed my face and I totally see a difference. Like, look at my pores. They're definitely not, I feel like it almost gives it like an airbrushed feel, you know? I'm kind of shook because I really hadn't done this in probably years, and I don't know why I don't do it more often. So.
Of like the comparison from the before and after. I'm actually like shocked again because I hadn't done this in so long, like literally probably years. And I just decided, you know, it was time to do a little DIY moment, but I absolutely feel a difference. My face definitely feels so much like snatched and like tighter. My pores are visibly like smaller. And another thing is I almost feel like it gives my face like an airbrushed look, you know, and I did wash my face thoroughly, and I feel like I just kind of have this like airbrush look, as if like almost like if I would have added primer, you know? Also, my hands are not looking that great because I've been washing them a lot, so they've been fading really weird, but it doesn't matter because I'm not going anywhere, so it's fine. But anyways, I do feel like I definitely need some moisturizer right now, but I just wanted to show you guys kind of like the end like result. The only downside is that it does take quite some time for it to dry, and I wouldn't recommend going in with like a blow dryer or anything, just because you really want it to like not just dry from like the front part, but also from like, you know, inside, so it can really kind of like, you know, whatever. I mean, you could give it a try, but I have read places that like when you do like masks, you don't want to blow dry them just because you don't want it to just like dry on the surface. Does that make sense? But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this super quick little DIY. I'm gonna go put on some moisturizer because I really feel like I need it, but I definitely feel like I have a really nice like facelift right now, a little facelift moment. I did read that you can put egg whites on your face once a week, so I wouldn't do it more than that. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little DIY moment, just because I know, you know, most of us are just at home and we're probably kind of bored, and you know, if you don't have any skincare at home, any masks, you can definitely make one yourself. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you guys tried it out, and then comment down below what else you guys want to see from me. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. Take care. I'll talk to you guys later.